What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Gonna start preparing the Nissan Hardbody to go to the fabricator, which is a big step. We have a long way to go before we even think about starting to get this thing running, but nonetheless we need to go to the fabricator, have him mock up everything, so when it comes back everything else will be in-house and we don't have to worry about it. So we have to put the whole front clip on, lights, grill, fenders, bumper, all that good stuff, but we don't have all the parts here at the shop. We have a couple things at Junior's house, so we're gonna go pick it up right now and start assembling this bad boy. It's gonna be really nice to see everything put together, for sure.
It's been like, what, 4 months since we've seen that whole front end together?
Dude, like, I guarantee you, once you actually see everything together, even though the engine bay isn't painted, you're gonna be like, damn, dude.
Yeah, I'm not gonna want to take it apart no more.
We also have Jeremiah and Martin at the shop right now. Jeremiah had installed his big turbo, the one we shown you guys, and he finally got the car running, and it sounds really good. So maybe we'll give you guys some sound clips of that too. All the parts are laid on the ground, ready to be put on. And it doesn't seem like a lot. I don't think I was here for you to remove everything, huh?
No.
The only possible issue is a grill interfering with the intercooler, but I don't think that's gonna be, you know, anything.
If we have to trim a little bit, we'll trim it with the little Dremel you have.
It's gonna be so cool having the intercooler peep through the grill. That's gonna be sick.
That's what I like. I was planning probably like to cut these out. We can probably actually even do that today.
We'll see.
If we mess up, we get another grill. The 3 valve covers we have.
We have the original valve cover, which is already messed up. This is the second one that actually works, and then we have the 240 one. A lot of trial and error here, guys, but that's the fun part about building custom stuff. This is the most custom we've ever gone. This is so custom that this is like Pimp My Ride custom. Nah, I wouldn't say that far. The thing is, we don't have to necessarily have it fully tightened down, but we need it test fitted, you know, enough
just
to.
do like 2 bolts here and there just to hold it together.
What I like is how everything bolts on super nice. Like just from us test fitting it, we don't even have to hardware. This is why I love OEM panels. Just a quick test fit and everything just fits so perfect. When you're trying to build something really nice, that's when it starts becoming an issue because it takes a lot of body work. You forget we got power tools or something?
Oh, I'm just used to like the old way, you know?
Bring everything by hand?
Yeah.
I feel you, dog. That's a goddamn turbo if I ever seen one. Breakfast for us? Good morning.
You gotta start charging.
Start good.
So you break it apart. You go, yeah. You don't need salt. Cause bacon.
With Jeremiah's salty ass.
I smelled, what the fuck?
Damn, bro. I've been hanging out with Junior too much, becoming illiterate.
Fueling gas, dog. Fueling gas. Let's show them type of paint jobs he does here in Boosted Gentleman's Garage.
Okay, I'm gonna say it. Let's see what kind of cars you guys build. Oh wait, they're all torn apart still.
It's only been
Hold on. Hey, hold on. 1,
Okay,
2. Last week you guys seen that they were rebuilding the head and slapping it on because it was having an overheating issue. They found a crack in it and it's still overheating. The more we start putting everything back together, the more we realize how simple it is. These guys are going to be going on before the headlights and grills.
Nothing's original in this car.
You just said the build isn't original.
BQ.
No.
BQs are trash.
No, they're not.
These?
Bro, you know
These
what?
are
We're
no
going to
good.
build a DE, 1,000 horsepower. Gap these fools.
Yeah.
You're build 1,000 horsepower that runs it one time.
If you're gonna get one, get the VHR.
Do what makes you happy.
Yeah.
Take some notes out of your coffee
But if
cup,
it's
sir.
gonna cost you 10 grand every time you drive it, because it blows up because of shit,
Yeah.
True.
it's not
When
worth it.
that's what makes you happy, then do it.
Yeah, I like wasting money.
Really? You don't have any money though.
Exactly.
Me neither.
So I'm not happy.
How about this? Just get a VHR, leave it stock,
400, 500 horsepower?
500 reliably all day. Easily.
Respect. Now we just have the fog lights, which Junior's putting on right now, and this badass grill, which is gonna make the whole front end complete. That looks so sick, dude. Looks great. Really like it. What do you think about that grill, though?
We should cut it.
We should definitely cut it, huh?
We should.
Because it's nice and sleek, like you can barely see it, but we want to show that it at least has something, you know? Even the intercooler piping is going to be powder coated, so it's going to be really sleek regardless, you know, whether it's cut or not. With the wheels that we want, some gram lights, ooh, they look good.
I can cut it, and if I don't like it, like this could be like a guinea pig. I could just mess with it.
Either just leave it stock or just cut it out. I want to do
Yeah, but I'm not really a fan of mesh either way.
So you can adjust these, right? Like to go up and down and how tight you want it.
Yeah.
We're able to get
Cause so I got rid of my bump stops, and I was like, fuck, I should have put them back on. But I'm guessing with this, I'll be able to adjust, like to get rid of the bump stop.
Yeah, I can't use mine because I think it
Oh, yeah, he
normally
doesn't have any either.
it normally
would've hit
sits right
here,
here, but
yeah.
I don't have, or it sits somewhere right here.
I'll be fine then.
I don't have it.
That's tough.
Damn!
That boy can drive.
Hey, where do I get one of them LS's, boy?
I don't know. From a truck.
That shit sounds really good, dude.
Boost.
How much?
14 ohm.
That's only 14 pounds, bro. With those pieces cut out, it looks badass, especially when you're gonna have the piping and everything going to it.
I like how it all looks though. Like, it's all simple colors.
Yeah,
Nothing simple.
it is. What?
Yeah, I don't know if I should do satin or like a glossy black. I think glossy black to go with the rims. Like a super wet black.
Wait till everything's powder coated. I think once we match everything with that wrinkle black and just flat black, that's when it's really gonna pop. Because it matched. Everything's gonna flow on this truck. Like every color we do and every part we get, we're gonna have the color in mind. And I feel like that's what a lot of people don't do on their builds. Is when they buy parts, they just keep it the original color, and that's what kind of throws me off in a lot of builds. It's just all the different colors on it. Nothing's matching, and even though they're good parts, it's not part of the scheme. You gotta have some sort of color scheme. I wish we could test fit the hood.
When we get it back from the fabricator, figuring out the rest of the wiring.
I've been looking into different clutch setups for this truck motor because the truck KAs have a bigger flywheel, which is honestly better. And a lot of 240 guys run these flywheels on their cars, but we're gonna be using the stock D21 flywheel, which is nice because it's gonna balance out a lot of stuff. When you go lightweight everything, you have more imbalances in the motor, and this motor tends to be a little imbalanced, so that's why you get a little more vibration. So we're gonna be doing that, and we're gonna be running a 300ZX stage 1 clutch, which a lot of people run. The whole thing is only gonna be like $400, so that's really good. We're not gonna be spending $1,000 on the clutch and flywheel setup, and it's going to be able to handle it. And we also have the fuel setup, so that's gonna be a big project. Because how do you wanna do it?
I don't know, cause now I'm thinking about going E.
If you go E85, that's gonna be a big change. I feel like we can still run the fuel injectors. I don't think we'll have that much of an issue. We just have to be careful.
If it's not too much of a change and so much money, because
It's just gonna be fuel
taking
pump.
so much money already, like then we'll just stay pump 91. But to go E, if it's too much money, then we'll just stay at pump 91.
Yeah. So there's word on the street that we're thinking about bringing back an old build.
Oh yeah, I don't think they're ready for that one.
No, they're not. It's gonna be probably like in 2 months. We'll wait a little bit.
2 months.
But I heard the ladies are gonna be building it too. They're gonna be part of the build.
We are.
We have the Miata that's sitting, and it's been sitting. She told me, hey, I think it's time to bring it back. So we have a lot going on, you know. I want to be smart with it. I don't want to get too many projects, but once we start getting a little more tidied up with this, and then I have a lot to do on the IS, you know, that'll be, you know, maybe one of our next builds. We're still thinking about it. Just already writing down ideas and plans, you know, that we want to do for it, because I think it'd be cool, you know, have the ladies more around, Stephanie, Deanna, and have them, you know, be part of the build and maybe install some parts on their own, see if they can figure it out. That'd be fun.
Fuel lines. Oh, we haven't got fuel lines yet.
Oh, yeah, run like 6.
We're running stock.
We're running stock fuel lines until we do fuel cell. Then we're gonna run all lines.
Why? Because he wants to run ethanol.
Ethanol?
Damn, fool!
Oh,
You're wiping that.
okay.
Tom made it. We'll pick it up already.
You ready?
Stock fuel lines, though.
You ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
Tell him come pick it up.
No, you're not down.
I'm
fool.
ready. I'm ready for all the sauce.
Fuel system is next. We gotta wire in the fuel pump, take off the bed. So that'll be a little later. You know, it'll be a little mission for that. And then set up the fuel pressure regulator, the Chase Biz one. Junior does want to run a fuel cell eventually, because we are going to be doing coilover conversion on this thing. So it's going to be, you know, obviously going to get in the way of the fuel tank, but it's going to be badass. We can order it already.
Where are you gonna put it?
Yeah, you're gonna sponsor it?
Yeah, I am sponsoring it. Look, it's almost done. Fuel cell, guys? I think that'll be pretty sick. Fuel cell, run all AN lines from the rear to the front.
Barton got his fuel cell for like $100.
That'd be badass. That'd be so cool. Figure it out. But on that note, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. We'll see you guys in the next one.